Very, very good morning, grade 10 CBSE students. Today I, Tarun sir, your English teacher, is going to discuss the writing section with you all. So, grade 10 CBSE students, this is not going to be easy for you all. Reason why? Because now they have included analytical paragraph. 5 marks. And what is analytical paragraph? This is for the first time CBSE has introduced this segment. See, I'll not say that it is easy to write, but you will have to take the help of the pie chart, the histogram. So this sounds a bit mathematical. And then on the basis of the pie chart, diagram or histogram, you will have to write a kind of interpretation in more than 100 words. Like for example, let's talk about COVID-19, and you'll get this picture. Don't worry. So COVID-19 cases, for example, in Uttar Pradesh. This is an histogram. They will make the chart like this. This is the death rate, and this is the percentage, rise in percentage, fall in percentage, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it can be in any form. For example, month of April, 200 deaths, May, 500,000. So this is a kind of pie chart or a histogram. Now what you people have to do is that you don't have to straight away start explaining this data, that in the year 2020, in the month of April, the death rate was around 200 and then it increased to 500. No. First of all, you will have to introduce the topic. COVID-19, the full form is coronavirus disease. The deadly virus had generated or started to spread in the country China. They reveal that it started to spread in the month of September 2019. This virus spreads via air, spreads via people. So you'll have to write a little bit of COVID-19, and then in between you can bring in this data that one of the biggest state, Uttar Pradesh, of the country India, in the beginning the situation was under control, and then we can see from this diagram or from this peak, and the data would be mentioned. You'll have to only note it down, that we have seen a rise from 5% cases to 43% rise, and the death have gone from 200 to 3000. So we see a drastic change, we see a drastic increase, but still Uttar Pradesh, the recovery rate in Uttar Pradesh is good. So you will have to write it in 100 to 120 words. Analytical paragraph. You can get a pie chart, you can get a histogram. On that basis, first of all, you will have to introduce the topic, my dear students, and in between you will have to come up with the data. Mind it, it is very necessary to at least mention the lowest and the highest figures. The lowest and the highest, the smallest and the biggest figures. So I am giving you a question. I will take the example of this pie chart. Taking the example of this pie chart, note down the question. Write an analytical paragraph in more than 100 words of the deadly virus COVID-19 that started to spread in the state Uttar Pradesh, from the month of March. Full stop. Taking the help of this histogram, now see, I'll draw it clearly for you. Taking the help of this histogram, write down your interpretation. These are the months, and this is the death rate due to COVID-19. Okay, this is the death rate due to COVID-19. In April 10, this is just an example, I am not giving you the accurate data. 50, 300, 500, 1200. So on this basis you will have to interpret and write it. You can also send it on my number 9839305466. I will definitely check it. Log into my channel in the name of English by Tarun sir. Thank you so much, students. God bless you all.